Begin your mosaic by transferring the design. To do this, use the carbon paper, carbon side down, on the board with the design over top, and then we trace it. Now, the first thing to do is to take your paper, center your design in the middle of the board. Want about a thumb's distance from each end. Then, when you've got it in the right position, the position that you want it to be in, fix the paper with a little piece of tape. Now, you don't want to fix it all the way around, because you'll notice that the carbon paper is smaller than the design. And carbon paper is ultimately reusable. You can use this for a million designs. So, you want to be able to slide the carbon paper around and to move it as you continue on different sections of your design. So I'm starting with the far right side. I put the carbon paper under the right side. Take a pen and trace the lines of your drawing. Make sure you get every line. It's not essential at this point to be enormously precise, because as you interpret the mosaic, you're going to make decisions as you go in terms of the specific placement of the tiles. So what you need is overall color areas. You need to know the general idea of where things start and where things end and where things change. So we need to know that his fins are here, but when doing it, if we decide to move it a little this way or a little that way, that's perfectly within our rights, let's say. Oh, I almost forgot this bit here. Now, I've done that half. Slide over my carbon paper. Make it overlap a little bit because I don't want any gaps. And retrace again the other end. These little zigzags, I think, are meant to be maybe bubbles or maybe movement in the water. They're basically little square tiles set in as diamonds. Which again we can interpret as we wish once we get there. And that is how you transfer the design. Now, if we open here, see, for the most part, I've missed nothing here, a little bit here, but of course, we know that they go and join each other up there. So that done, put away the carbon paper for another day, and the design, and we can begin making the mosaic.